Hi. In the last video, we have seen the relationship between arrays and pointers, how we can access the elements of array using this pointer operator, that is indirection operator, we can say. So now we will see when we can make a pointer to array also, means we can create a pointer, we can define a pointer which can hold the address of the array, and that array is the base address of the array. Okay, or we can hold the address of any element of the array inside the pointer. So let us see how we can make. So suppose we have this array int x 4. We had four elements. Like suppose these are the elements of the array, and we are creating a pointer int star p, and then we are writing p equal to address of x. So this is the address, base address of the array x. Okay, we can hold the address of the second element also using this statement. If I write address of x1, it means we are storing the address of the second element of the array in p, and this will store the base address of the array. Or we can write like this also, address of x0. Both are same. These both are same. And this is the address of the second element of the array. So if I write this using this also, so let us discuss first about this one. The base address of the array we are storing in this. Suppose we are storing the base address of the array in the pointer. Then with the help of this, we can access the element same as earlier we did in the last video. Suppose the first element of array is %d. We can write p star p, and then second element we can write second element %d star p plus 1. For the third element, we can write %d for star p plus 2. Star p plus 2. Or we can use this also. In place of star p plus 1, or star p plus 2, star p plus 3 for third element. This will give you the first, this will give you the second, this will give you the value of third, this will give you the value of fourth. We can use this also, like P0, P1, P2, P3, all these are same. Or we had seen the other ways in the previous video. We have seen like x0, x1, x2. We have seen in the very starting when we were discussing about the array. This was the method we had discussed in that beginning. Now in this previous video, we had discussed that we can use this one also for accessing the element of the array. Here pointer x plus 1, pointer x plus 2, pointer x plus 3, and this p is a pointer defined for storing the address of the base address of the array. x. So with this, we are accessing the elements of the array. So you can see, run it and check the output. Let us see the output on the system. You see here, I have defined a pointer p, which is which contains the address of this array x. So now this, we are accessing the elements of this array using this pointer p. So when to access the first element, we just write pointer p, and the second element will be pointer p plus 1. Third element is pointer p plus 2. Fourth element is pointer p plus 3, and so on. So let us compile and run this program and see the output. So see, the first element of your array is 19. Second element of this array is 4. Third element is 27, and fourth element is 36. So we can access this array element by creating a pointer to the array, and we are accessing the elements of the array using this pointer element also, pointer variable also. So let us see, we can hold the address of this any element of the array using this operator. Say if I write x of 2, address of x of 2, it means the third element is stored in this p. So when I write pointer p, so it will give the address, it will give the value of the third element. It will give the value of the third element. See, I am running, compiling and running it, and then see the output. First, the third element actually. You will notice that the 27 is the third element. So let us remove this. You can see that 27 is the third element. So if I change this x of 1, so it will hold the address of second element. So now see, it will show the 4, this second element. Second element is 4. So when we run it, it will show that it is 4. So now let us see what happened when we print this one, pointer p plus 1. It will give you the value next to that element stored in p. So p contain the address of the second element. This is 4. Now when I write p plus 1, when I write this p plus 1, so it will give the next element, pointer p plus 1. It will give the value stored after that. So it will give the value, this will give the 4, and this will give the 27. And if I write pointer p plus 2 1, then this will give the 36. So let us see, run this and check what is the output it is printing actually. To compile and then run. It is 4 and 27 it is printing. So it should not be second element, it should just print. We are checking and pointer p plus 1. It will give you the value 27 and so on. When I run this p plus 2, it will give the 36, the fourth element. 4, 27, 36, and so on. So you find that how we are accessing the array of element using this pointer variable. Okay, here we are creating a pointer and then we are storing the address of this. In the previous video we had seen we were able to access the variable values of the array using the name of this array with the interaction operator also. That also was correct. So we can use any of them. It will be all right, but you should know all the method because you may be asked this type of questions in your exam or interview. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. Thanks for watching.